Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about brokerage and reductions of margin trade or a delivery trade. So based on a contract note, I am going to explain like what are the charges are done for your margin trade and delivery trade. So nowadays we know like most of the brokers are telling zero brokerage for delivery. And let us see like what are the fact and what are the hidden charges behind this delivery trade, because most of the people are nowadays not aware the charges of delivery trade. So I am going to explain all those things through this video. So watch completely this video, then only you will be understanding whether delivery is free or not. So that is what I am going to explain through this video. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And in the same way, those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ, and you can see lot of videos related to market. So you can see like how to invest for long term, short term, intraday. So all those things I have shared already. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain the brokerage and reductions of delivery or a margin trade. So if you are really satisfied with this topic, don't forget to like my video. Okay, I have opened my contract note. Okay, like those who are not aware about contract note or how to check the brokerage and reductions, you can log into your mail ID daily basis after your trade, by evening. Whichever broker you are using, they will be sending you a contract note. So just open the contract note, and from there you can identify like what are the brokerage they are charging and what are the reductions they have done for your STT. All those things you will be getting. So just log into your mail ID, and from there you can identify the subject will be contract note. So you can download the PDF file, and from the PDF file you can identify like what are the brokerage they are charging and what are the other taxes. So everything I am going to explain. So you can see my delivery trade here. So on here the date also they will be mentioning here, like each day they will be mentioning the date. So this is on 10th September 2020, and you can see my name also here, Libin EJ, and our address also they will be mentioning. So this is how the contract note will be coming to the mail ID. So once contract note comes to this, here you can see like what are the things you have purchased for that particular day. So just I will show you. So here you can see these are the two things I have purchased, and here you can see the quantity also, like IDFC First Bank I have purchased for a delivery 100 shares, and Nippon Life India Asset Management I have purchased 10 shares. So almost 110 shares I have purchased for a delivery. Okay, now let us see the other brokerage also. Okay, one second. Okay, now let us come to the brokerage area. Okay, these are the other taxes. Okay, so I will show you clearly. Okay, here you can see there is a zero brokerage. That is what normally like most of the brokers are telling you. There is a zero brokerage for delivery or a margin trade. Like if you are carry forwarding your position, only this will be applicable only for equity market. Okay, if you are going for delivery for if you are going for a delivery market like equity cash market, like any of the company shares, then there won't be any charges for brokerage. So there is a zero brokerage. Here you can see they have not charged for any brokerage. But if you are going for a bank nifty or a nifty, because there is a carry forward position, so there will be like the same brokerage they will be charged. So only for cash market there won't be brokerage for delivery position. In the same way, for the margin position also there won't be any brokerage. So the fact is that they are telling zero brokerage is right. But let us see like what are the other charges they are doing for delivery trade or a margin trade. So here you can see STT, they are charged almost 6 rupees. So like you can see like IDFC for 100 shares they have charged 3 rupees, and Nippon also they have charged 2 rupees. So this is how the charges are coming. So after that you can see other charges. So other charges is almost 1.13. So these are the charges they have done for your delivery trade. So if you are going for an equity trade on delivery or a margin trade, So you'll be getting a charges for STT and other charges. So after that you can see this is the this is showing minus value because we are holding, because we are not going to sell on the same day, because this we are bought for a long time period. So so right now we can see there is only STT and other charges, and there is no charges for brokerage. But you have to always, you have to be aware, like there are some hidden charges. Okay, that is what most of the people are not aware, like what are the hidden charges done by the broker. Like when you log into your account, okay, like you can log into your trading account, and in there you can see there is a report. So if you go to the report, you can see like every month they are sending for DP charges. So why they are charging DP charges? So instead of brokerage, most of the brokers are charging you some like DP charges, and you can, you know, like when you are going for a margin trading, you have to be very careful. Like for example, if you have 1 lakh rupees in your account and the companies will be giving you 5 times leverage, and with that leverage you are buying for maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. But when you are buying for a when you are buying in a margin trade, what will happen? So every month they are charging you, like yearly they are charging you 18% interest. So this is a major point you have to keep in mind, like when you are going for a margin trade. So each year there will be 18%. Okay, 18% means, just imagine if you have 1 lakh rupees in your account, if you buy for 2 lakh rupees, what will happen? Like for the extra 1 lakh rupees you have to pay monthly almost 1800 rupees, because 18% interest you have to pay yearly. So monthly, you know, like if you calculate monthly, it is like almost 1800 rupees you have to pay to the broker. So always you have to be careful, like when you are going for a margin trade or a delivery trade, should understand like what are the brokerage are coming, and delivery, is it free or not. So instead of brokerage, they are charging some DP interest. So you can check that also. You can log into your whichever the broker you are using. Under report you can see like what are the charges they have reduced. Like they will mention like if you have log into your application, you can see there will be like 2 columns will be there, DP interest. So like they will mention these are the amount they have reduced for DP interest, and the same way you can see for DP holding also they will be reducing some amount. So for so you have to understand, like when they are telling like delivery is free, is it really free? Because we may have to think once, because the brokers are offering you, the only thing is that, only part is that the brokerage is not there, but instead of that they are doing some other charges like DP interest. And for marginal trade, always you have to very careful, like when you are going for a marginal trade, every year they are charging 18% interest. So these are the hidden charges they have done for marginal trade and delivery trade. So always you have to be very careful, like when you are going for a delivery trade or a marginal trade. And those who are not aware about contract note, you can log into your mail ID. Okay, like whatever mail ID you have registered for, whatever the mail ID you have registered while opening account. So in that mail ID, they will be sending you the contract note. So here you can see my contract note. So they have sent me the contract note for equities. In the same way, like they will be mentioning the subject as contract note. The same way you can see like there will be contract note for commodities. Like daily basis, they will be sending you contract note. So here I will show you. Here you can see there is a contract note for equity segment. Here again you can see contract note for commodity segment. So daily basis they will be sending you contract note. So always you have to open your mail ID and check the contract note. And in the same way, like those who are not aware about the other charges, you can log into your application, and in the application you can see there is an option for report. So here you can see an option for report. So just click on the report. So once you click on the report, you can see there is a transactional report. So this area you can see transactional report. So just click on that. So once you click on that, you will be getting a report here. Okay, you have to select the report and just go to view report. Here you have to check view report. Once you click on view transaction, you will be getting the charges, like what are the charges they are doing, like DP charges, DP interest. So all those things you have to check daily basis, like whichever the application you are using, daily basis log into your application and see like what are the charges they are doing. Are they doing DP interest or DP charges for delivery? So if you are doing delivery, they are doing DP charges. and for DP interest they are doing for margin trading. So all those things you have to be aware. So always log into your trading application and identify all those things. Okay, in the same way, those who are interested to learn more about market, you can join my Telegram channel. Okay, this is a Telegram channel I have created to help the beginners. Like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can join this channel. On daily basis, I will be giving you the update, like where we have to invest and what are the stock we have to select for intraday or a long, or how we can select Bank Nifty. All those updates I will be giving you, and which are the stock we are selecting for long term. And like what are the Nifty major support, like which is Nifty's resistance area. So all those things I will be sharing in this group. So this group will be absolutely free. So you can join this group. And the same way there is a WhatsApp group also. You can join either WhatsApp group or in my Telegram channel. So both link I have given in the description. So you can go to my description and you can join to this group. You can see a lot of people are already joined to this group. And anyways, you can see a lot of people are joining to this group because this group is absolutely free. Okay, in the same way, like those who are interested to open an account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can contact me. The link I have mentioned in the description. Like those who are planning to start a career in share market, you can open the account and you can start a trading. So both the link I have mentioned in the description. So you can go to my description and you can open the account. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you need any clarification or any support, you can just comment below this video. And if you are really satisfied with this topic, so kindly like my video. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.